Iya, pemirsa masih di diplomasi bersama saya Adam Lubis. Kami masih berbincang-bincang dengan Duta Besar Polandia untuk Indonesia. Bicara mengenai hubungan antara Polandia dan juga Indonesia ini cukup erat, bahkan bisa dikatakan sebelum kemerdekaan Indonesia pada tahun 1945. Hal ini kita bisa lihat dari airport yang ada di Sumatera Utara, Polonia, itu kabarnya sendiri ini merupakan adopsi nama dari Polandia. Nah, saya akan konfirmasi kepada duta besarnya. Oke, Your Excellency. Okay, Poland has a quite a long relation with Indonesia, even before the independence Indonesia in 1945. That's why the airport of the North Sumatra. Did you hear about the Polonia airport?
I heard about, and I look forward to see because I had no chance to visit yet.
Yeah, it's a reference of Poland. Have you? So, can you explain about this?
Actually, I know that there is a place called Polonia. Polonia is in Latin,
Yes.
Poland, but so it is like Polandia.
Yeah.
Polandia, yeah. So the place was created by the Polish engineers in the beginning of the 20th century, but I had no opportunity yet to visit this place. So I look forward really to see. Actually, my idea here, being for a few years in Indonesia, is to collect information about so-called Polish places in that country, and maybe to prepare some publication or a small book about the Polish places in Indonesia, because we have actually so many
like a missionaries, yeah?
Yes, you are right. Like missionaries in mid of 60s, about 30 priests, Catholic priests, came to Indonesia. They were located in different islands and provinces like Flores, like Sumatra, also Kalimantan, Sulawesi, Java. So and they worked very hard, and we are still in touch with them. Some of them are still here. They are now very old people, but still very active, doing a lot of things for the local communities. So I think, and they left already many, let's say, their
maybe like
places,
cultural sales.
Yes, sales.
In
in this country, like I mentioned, I just visited. Flores, and it was I think in 70s it was a big project there to build a road, and one of the main, let's say, person who was involved in that project was a Polish priest. Yes, and still I learned that this road is called Stanislaus Road, because the name of the priest, his first name was Stanisław, so it's like Stanislaus. So the road is called by local people Stanislaus Road, and the road was built in 70s. Yes, so, but I still remember. So there are so many places, so many, but also in Flores the same. There are many places dedicated to our Pope John Paul II. I visited chapels, churches, or centers dedicated to John Paul II, the Polish Pope. So there are really many places. So my goal is to collect information and put in one publication.
Yes, so interesting.
Yeah, why not? Yes.
Yeah. Okay. That's about the relations between Poland and Indonesia. We have a close relations. Okay. I want to know about the now and the futures. Okay. Your Excellency, how about the trading between Poland and Indonesia? How is the trading between Poland and Indonesia? For now, maybe have a plan for the future.
Yeah, actually, our relations are very rich.
Yes.
Yes. So we are doing a lot of things, a lot of cooperation on a political base, but also economic, in people-to-people contact, in a different dimensions. I have to say that the economic cooperation is absolutely our priority.
Okay.
I think that for a country like Poland, which is the biggest country in Central Europe, and for Indonesia as the biggest country in the Southeast Asia region, it's very important to be together, to cooperate more. There is a lot of space, still a lot of space to cooperate. This is absolutely great potential for bilateral cooperation in trade and investment. Trade last year shows that the trade between our two countries is around $1 billion.
Okay.
So it's not so bad, but it could be better. So this is why this year we had many business people visited Indonesia. I have to say that Polish businessmen visited many expos and trade fairs, like Trade Expo, like Shal, for the food expo, also Indo Defense, also Energy Power Conference. So this year, 2018, was full of the visits of the Polish business people. So I do hope that it will bring fruits, yes, because now they are just visiting Indonesia to look what is the country. They start to learn about this country and the possibilities. So I hope that those visits will bring fruits and bigger export. Export and import, I mean simply trade between our two countries. But also investments are so important, so not only trade. I think that even investments are more important because the investments create jobs.
Of course.
Create a new environment. So it's really, this is what we should focus on. And we already have Polish investments in energy sector in Lombok.
Okay.
In Lombok, the Polish company, together with the Indonesian partners, they are building the energy blocks in Lombok. The Polish company, Prime Minerals, also investing in mineral sector, mining sector in Sulawesi. So also agriculture investments. There is factory producing. I mean, the factory is already built in Java to produce the chicken meat, yes, poultry. So there are a lot of projects already which we are doing. But I do hope that there is more potential also in other sectors.
Okay. Well, what kind of commodity you think that's a very potentials to enhance the cooperation economics between the Polandia and Indonesia?
I mean, what we see, actually, I already see potential in, as I said, mining sector, energy sector, maritime sector. So Indonesia is a maritime country, yes, with so many islands. You need guys, ports, ferries, ships, and Poland is ready to help and to cooperate with Indonesia to create joint ventures, because in Poland we have shipyards. When you study the economy of Poland, you see that in this sector we are very active and very experienced. So we can do a lot together with Indonesia in the maritime sector, but also, of course, agriculture. Agriculture. So we can offer beef. We can offer dairy products. We can offer fruits, apples. Polish apples are famous around the world. Very good apples. So we have a lot to offer, and I think that mostly the sector I already told, but also there is pharmaceutics. Poland is also a fantastic producer of the furnitures. Also yachts. In our shipyards, we are producing yachts for middle class, highest class, simple yachts, different prices. So yachts,
Okay, we are very welcome. So we are waiting for the next cooperations for the economics. Pemirsa, itu dia tadi begitu ya perspektif komoditi di bidang ekonomi yang dijelaskan oleh Duta Besar Polandia untuk Indonesia, ke depan bagaimana kerjasama Indonesia untuk Polandia. Nah, kemudian apa perspektif tadi budaya dari Polandia yang dilihat dari Indonesia, pemirsa? Kami masih akan lebih lanjut membahasnya di Diplomasi. Tetap bersama kami.